state has different laws when it comes to THC marijuana usage and the presence of specific metabolites in a person's blood. In Wisconsin, we are a per se state, and the metabolite that can trigger a charge of operating with a restricted controlled substance is the delta-9 metabolite. When marijuana is consumed and ingested in the body, it breaks down into different metabolites. The ones that the state labs in Wisconsin test for are hydroxymetabolite, carboxymetabolite, and delta-9. And if there's a measurable amount of the delta-9 metabolite that returns in a blood test result following an arrest for the alleged offense, then that can trigger an actual charge for operating with the restricted controlled substance. That level that is considered to be a measurable amount is 1.0 nanograms per milliliter. That's smaller than a billionth of a grain of sand, to put it in perspective. So it is a very low number and small amount. Additionally, if there's the presence of the hydroxy and carboxy, it can really be a strategic decision whether or not to attempt to suppress those additional metabolites in the event the case goes to trial. But beyond that, when measuring such small amounts of this metabolite, it presents a whole array of challenges as far as the lab work is concerned. Most of the time, there are not blank samples put between these test results. They're run along with a whole bunch of other tests from other individuals who they're trying to look for THC in their blood. And the work that's being done when it comes to this particular type of testing in Wisconsin, really from a forensic science standpoint, is not at the high level where it should be. There are people's lives and livelihoods and freedom at stake. And the lab work for this type of testing should be far more scientifically responsible in determining whether these charges are going to come about, in my personal opinion.